Hare Krishna. So yet another video I'm making it for how to take a steam bath. Before I have made a video which was in sitting pose. You might have seen that video twice. Two video I have posted on YouTube which was in sitting pose. इधर दिखाओ. And this time I'm making this video while lying down. This is most comfortable steam bath cabinet. Though it is very portable, you can fold it nicely and keep it somewhere in your room, and whenever you need it you can spread it out. It is just like a tent, one room's tent, which is having 6 by 3 feet wide, 2.5 maybe. So what you need to do is, you can see this is available on Amazon for 10,000 rupees I think, and I do recommend only this one. It is better than the sitting one. You don't need stool adjustment your neck on the stool, but in this you can just lie down and you can slip down, slip up, just to adjust till the neck size. And most important thing is, when you do this steam bath, you can remove your all dresses from the body inside, and you have to rub your whole body, and inside you have so much space that you can do some abdominal strengthening exercise, thighs exercise like Uttan Padasana, cycling, paddling, uh, and 90 60 10 uplift to strengthen your abdomen and your thighs. So same time the sweating is coming out and you are doing some exercise inside. So this will give you more impact to burn the fat fast. Not only to burn the fat, but also it is very good for all your joints, ligaments, muscles, anyone having joints problem. Even it is very useful for nervous disease. So you can see your head should be outside, your head should not go inside the steam bath cabinet, and you should put cold water, wet towel on your head. I have not put wet towel, but yes, I have kept my head wet. मैंने पानी डाल दिया है सर पे. तो you can keep your head cool. Idea is to keep your head cool. So when you keep this steam burning, so from your lower extremities all the blood flows upside, so your heart area will be pressurized. To release this pressure, if you put cold water on your head, so all this blood will go rush into brain, and when brain gets enough flow of blood, probably it is very healthy for many psychosomatic problem, insomniatic problem, migraine issues, because again migraine is a little bit somehow clottings of the blood due to that. And then most importantly, it helps for the person like suffering from what is that,
Epilepsy.
epilepsy, mirgi ki bimari, or any kind of clots in your heart, in your brain, or anywhere in the body.
Paralytic.
This removes.
Paralytic.
Even this helps on Parkinson's, all the nervous related disease. It removes vata, like due to vata paralysis happens. So this is the master therapy, and this is very well you can do in home, right? So you can see I am doing in home. I will show you the full size of this steam, and other side at the end there is a steam maker, a steam generator. दिखाओ steam generator दिखाओ सबको. तो ये है steam generator, उस साइड में देख सकते हैं आप, ठीक है. और ठीक है, दिखा दिया.
हाँ.
steam generator दिखा बढ़िया से. और ऊपर आ जाओ. हाँ, इधर आ जाओ. मूव करो, इस साइड मूव करो, इस साइड मूव करो, इस साइड से लॉक करो. तो the beauty of this chamber is you can just turn left, you can turn right, you see, you can turn left, right, for the better steaming of your back bones. You can even go down and you can make like praline postures, and here you can do some more exercise like, again lifting of the legs at the back like Salbhashan, and you can do little bit Chakrasan, so some exercise doing inside will really loosen your joints. The person who is suffering from stiff muscles, they can do this inside and immediately they will get to lose their muscles and the joints will be flowing like anything. So this is all the way overall this is very good, and I recommend this to be used comfortably instead of the sitting one.
वहाँ से दिखा दूँ और बस
So
वो स्टीम हो जाए.
तो इधर जो है you can see I am very much comfortably. So 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, as long as you can tolerate the heat, you can be inside. But some precautions are there. Some precautions, what you can do is, before getting into this chamber, you have to take 1 or 2 glasses of water just to keep your body hydrated. And you need to apply mustard oil on your body in order to prevent your skin to be dry. So dryness of the skin will not come. Even if you apply this this mustard oil, then you will get lot of sweatings. Sweatings will be more easily for the skin to sweat out if you have applied little mustard oil. That is one benefit. Then second benefit of putting oil is your skin will not be dry. It will keep the luster of the skin maintained, and same time it will be oily, that should be there. Skin dry is again a vata cause problem, and that attracts a lot of disease, because skin is the protective unit of the body, skin. So this is wonderful. This is available on Amazon. You can buy always from Amazon. I should provide the link for the Amazon down. You can click and buy this chamber. And one thing I will tell you, there are so many naturopathy guru, acharya. I will not name of those, but I know some of them, they condemn this kind of a steam bath because they say this is the violence with the body. I should make clear to all of the audience and to those yoga guru and naturopathy acharyas, those who believe this is a violence. But if this, okay, I agree if this is violence, but then what is the solutions? Do we get enough sunlight? Do we have enough farmhouse where we can just lie down by putting the oil outside the? No. We live in a very small space, like flats, where there is no sunlight available, and especially this is not possible for the ladies, and you cannot go at the beach side. How these westerner and foreigners, they once and twice in a year they go to beach and they enjoy the sunny weather and they try to sweat themselves in front of the sunbathing. But sunbathing is not possible, especially for the Indians, because they live in such circumstances. So yes, if you have sunbathing facility, nothing is like that. The first preference, even I agree with them. But then if you don't have sunbathing available, then this is the right options. What you do? What we should do? We have to anyhow get our body sweat. Every day you should take this bath. Though you should consult before taking daily bath. But then 10 to 15 minutes daily bath is very healthy. So after taking bath inside this chamber, you can immediately go into shower and take only 1 minute, 1.5 minutes shower, nothing more than that. Don't spend too much time in the bathroom after getting out of this chamber, and stand in front of the shower room, shower a long time. It will again create some cough and sneezing and cold running, nose running sort of problem will maybe arise. So after getting immediately out, there are so many people who objected. Do you have question in mind maybe that how it is so practical immediately coming from heat and taking bath in the cold? Does it will not affect the body? So no, it doesn't affect the body, because whole body is inside under the heat. So all the blood circulated through the upper extremities, head and chest area. So when you get out from here and take immediate baths of cold water bath 1 minute, all the blood again rushes towards all the extremities of the body. And in that way, because of this fast flow, it cleanses lot of obstacles in the blood, so many stagnant material, morbid matters, toxicity will be removed from the blood. So the sweating is one of the very important things, because people are not getting sweat every day. And in this chamber, like see, I'm talking to you, I'm taking a steam bath, at the same time I'm doing my exercise even inside, like cycling I'm doing, Uttan Padasana I'm doing. So this is a wonderful way that we can, exercise out our body inside this heat. And anything in heat, if you try to mold, it will mold. Like even if it is iron, or even if it is like say bones. So if you try to, and it's very good for all joints actually. Elbow joints, shoulder joints, wrist joints, knee joints, groin joints, ankle joints. So all the joints, it is very good, and all the muscles will be released. It will not be a stiff one. A stiff muscles is not good actually for the nervous system, for the peripheral system, and for the blood circulation as well. So I think this video will be very long. So I wanted to show you today. Nowadays I am taking daily bath of this steam bath. So please try out, and if you take this one instrument in your home, probably you can avoid 99.99% disease altogether from your life. Thank you very much, and if you have any comments, please write in the comment box. I will try to reply you soon. And you can always consult me if you have any problem, and I shall provide you WhatsApp number if possible in the comment box. Once you comment, then I may, if I feel you need consultancy, I will provide you the WhatsApp number in the comment box in your reply. And then where to purchase this steam chamber, I will send a link into this description box. Don't forget to share this video. It is so important. It can keep your immunity healthy, overall body healthy, and you can be free from doctors. You need not to see me. You don't have to see doctors like me ever in the life if you try to use this. So take this a step forward and take a little step towards the healthy lifestyle. You can see now when you should end this process is when you have enough sweating on your head, on your face, enough sweating. Number one. Number two, first is if you can't tolerate the steam heat, then you get out. Second thing is that you should see enough head sweated. Then third thing is that if time is 15-20 minutes in summer, now it is raining season, so I'm taking a little more extra, but if it is hot summer, you can take only 10 minutes. But if it is a cold, then go for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, that's more than enough. And what you can do is, once you remove this, once you are out, so mostly when you open this chamber, this is like a chain, so once you open it, all the vapor will come out. So when vapor is coming out, at that time try to inhale some vapors. Inhale some vapors and do some Kapalbhati inside with the vapors. It will really help you increase the capacity of your bronchi, and it will be free from any kind of disease, even coronavirus, any virus which gets attacked day by day in our lungs. So with this steaming therapy again, so you can see this is a master therapy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, and hope you all stay healthy, wealthy and wise. Thank you very much. Yeah.